Good morning, guys. So, I'm just waiting for a FaceTime call from my friend. They're supposed to be, they're supposed to call me. I don't know how that's supposed to work. They said call me and they didn't call me, so I'm just waiting. But I'm currently uploading the vlog from yesterday, so that's cool. And yeah. Hey guys, so I finally got the FaceTime call from my friend. Say hi. That's my brother Patty, and he's at school right now. Sucks to be him. Ha!
Look at the picture someone took on
the ride.
What? Give me your toy. Where's it at? Hey, bring it over here.
Look at this face, guys. Look at this face. How can you say no to that? Stop being awkward, turtle! Okay, if you're gonna be awkward, I told them we hold balloons. Awkward balloon. Shut up! Never mind. Okay, I'm sorry. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. So I'm still FaceTiming with my friend Patty, but since they're at school, they're having a pep rally right now because there's a game today. But look, you can't hear anything, but I'm gonna embarrass all of them on my internet. My internets. Dad, my sister! And she doesn't like being on camera. She's lame. Look! You can hear them. Oh, kinda. I mean, this sounds very scratchy. But you can still hear them out of the way. Hey guys, so I just finished editing the video from yesterday. It's like about 8 minutes long. It's not too bad. I mean, for my first one, it should be at least like 5 minutes. But I recorded a lot of clips with a little bit of time, so it just added up. So yeah, and right now I'm home alone because everybody just likes to leave me. So I have some chores to do. My mom wants me to clean the restroom and put these things back on there, my entertainment center. So yeah, and then she wants me to dust off these couches, but because my dog sheds a lot and they're like really tiny itty bitty blonde hairs, so yeah. And my sister left and she's supposed to help me with that, but she left, so alright. So Scratch doing chores. My dog decided to eat a napkin and he likes to do that, and now he has a bunch of energy, so I have to take him for a walk. So come here. Put your bling on. No. Hey! He's making this way too complicated. Okay, so we're going for a walk, and here he is. This is just his, so he doesn't pull me when we're walking, because he likes to take off. And I have probably down, but I have 2 leashes because twice already when I took him out, his little thing, his, I guess, choker broke. So I need reinforcement just in case it does. I don't want him to take off into the street. So yeah. Okay guys, so I'm gonna get to those chores now because when I came back from my walk, my sister was here. So she just told me right now, do you want to do it? So I was like, yeah. But I told her I was gonna do a time lapse, and now she's like, oh wait. Come on, nobody cares! Ah!
Here we go.
Done.
Hey guys, so I just woke up from a nap because I'm tired. And it's now 3:28 in the afternoon. And I can't think straight. Whatever. Hey guys, so I know it's kind of dark and maybe if you can't see me, I'm sorry. But I am currently on my way to Montebello High School because there is a game, a football game at Montebello, and my friends went on the bus with the band there, so I'm gonna go say hi and then come back home. Seems kind of lame, but I don't care. It's fun. So, see you when we get there. Okay guys, so me and Patty are gonna play Chexie's team but on different hands. And Denise is gonna record.
I don't even. Okay.
Okay. Record our hands. Ready? Hey guys, so I just got home. I went to the Sure versus Montebello game. I don't think oh no, I did. I recorded there. What? You hungry? Or do you have to go potty? I need to take my dog out. No one took him out while I was gone. I can't. But anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, click like, thumbs it up, let me know that you liked it. It's dark. I don't know if you're able to see me. Relax. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you guys tomorrow.